Hey everybody, just want to give a quick update on the banana circle. Everything's growing good. From the bush beans, I just harvested some off this one the other day. Gotta come out here and harvest some more all the way to the pumpkins. These things are going crazy. They're just growing out all the way over there to the raised garden bed here. Got bush beans going all around the corner, of course. Some of the wildflowers and stuff planted over there, sprouting. Some more bush beans over here. To the big banana here. This is the double one here, the one that grows the two heads. Got some more bush beans going on the other side there. Some more bananas. Another banana right there with some bush beans. But so far, I'm liking this idea. Like I said, I'm probably gonna do another banana circle. But for now, this is doing good. I got another pup coming up there on the double Mahoi. So I'm probably gonna be taking that one up and transporting another. Oh, like there's another one right there too coming on the other side. So that's two pups with the double Mahoi. So I'm probably gonna be starting another banana circle soon. Gotta get over there and harvest some of them beans. I see they're all loaded at the bottom of that one. That one as well, and all right there too. But that'll be it for this video. Just want to do a quick update on the banana circle, show you guys some of the results. Of course, here's a little bit of carrots I had left over growing down here, all on the edges, and all right there too. But like I said, that'll be it. Everybody stay blessed, stay safe, and keep growing.